It scared me.
Sorry.
I should have given you a key. Long day.
Yeah, it was.
You're from that neighborhood. There's already talks about protests and rallies. Buck shot an unarmed innocent kid. Hicks can't just put him back on the street.
It was a split-second decision made in the dark, with bullets flying.
Deegan will keep the team running until Buck's back. It's his time. Deke's paid his dues. Maybe you'll be his number 2. While you guys break in another officer, we'll need more of Mumford's team. Listen. We got another problem.
What's that?
Us. This is more than just hooking up at this point. You've got a key, a toothbrush, some clothes. If we're really going to do this, we're going to have to disclose the relationship to human resources.
Oh, you're kidding.
It's policy.
A policy that everybody ignores.
Listen, I'm a woman, I'm young, and I'm a Latina. That's 3 strikes for a lot of brass. There are people waiting for me to screw up. I have to be squeaky clean. You'd rather we keep going on as it is?
Look, I don't know where this is going, but I'd like this to be something that you and I work out together. Not something that becomes bulletin board material for people at HQ.
Right. I get that you think it's ridiculous that I'm a rule follower. But I am. I've worked too hard to blow this. It's my career. Something has to change. Let me know what you want it to be.